Hi, my name is Dr. Robert Dees, and my team and myself would like to welcome you to Canyon Chiropractic and SF Bay Wellness. This is our new suite that we just opened up recently, where we're going to be offering a variety of different treatments. One of the ones I want to focus on today is our Knee on Track. It's for knee decompression. It's a unique non-surgical technique that we use to help people with knee pain. If you have knee pain from osteoarthritis, you have knee pain because you've had your knees replaced, because you're an athlete and you've had meniscus problems or knee type of problems. This, along with our red light therapy and other treatments that we do, like pulsed electromagnetic frequency, those are the things that we help people in a natural way, drugless, to help them with their knee pain. This machine has been proven to help increase the space in the knee by about 56%. It actually promotes synovial fluid formation, which is the actual fluid that helps to lubricate the knee joint, and it actually breaks down adhesions, especially for those people that have had chronic knee injuries. You don't have to be old to have a knee problem that we can help you with, but if you are older and you've had lots of knee problems, this is a great non-surgical technique that we can use. Many of our patients notice a difference immediately after the first treatment as soon as they get up off the chair. We do both knees at the same time. It doesn't hurt. Again, it helps to increase the function of the knee. So I'm really excited to offer this. We're doing an introductory $69 exam. That includes your initial exam. That includes x-rays if we need to do them of your knees or your lower back, or I'll look at the original x-rays maybe that you've had taken elsewhere. That includes a trial treatment, actually 2 trial treatments, where we'll actually give you some treatment on this, and some of the other things we'll be using to help you feel better, so you can get results sometimes very, very quickly, and then we'll show you recommendations for a treatment plan, a more comprehensive treatment plan, where we can help you long term with this. So again, I'm Dr. Robert Dees. I want to thank you for watching this, and I look forward to meeting you. Please call the number below.